Yeah, so I'll be right there where you are. All right, I'm on the runway. You can line it up on the line if you want. There you go. Tell me when you're ready. Thank you. Frankie, after your pass, I'm going downwind. Thank you. Perfect.
Because I know it takes a minute for the slow one.
Yeah. Go, I'll be behind you. Thank you. Oh, it stalled. Downwind pass. Ooh, those are bright. Holy crap. Jesus. I'm doing a downwind. It's got a little vertical, huh? Something fall off?
Time remaining 1 minute.
Uh-oh.
Time expired. Gear down.
Alright, I'm coming in as soon as you're down. Power is off, I'm just gliding right now.
Landing flat.
Dude, I'm all the way at the end. Actually, by the time you get here, yeah, I'm all the way at the end.
Flaps up.
I'll be here by the time you're back. Come on in. You're good, Frank. Come in. That thing is a beast, man. You know what blows me away though? This F-22 floats like crazy. I was about 1,000. Huh? Yeah. All right. If I can get the thing airborne.